Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Friends, today I am here to give you some important news about chemical sector stocks. Chemical sector is one of the fastest growing sector in India. Yesterday, most of the stocks from the chemical sector have fallen sharply. An article from the Mint covered this news. Deepak Nitrite share price plunged around 10% in early morning deals. Navin Fluorine shares crashed almost 9% in the early trade session. Chemical major Balaji MS share price tanked 9%, whereas Tata Chemicals slid to the tune of 6%. You can also see the share price chart. Here you can see that Navin Fluorine Limited has crashed to 8.46% from the high of 3,732. Balaji MS Limited has crashed to 7.29% by making a high of 4,476. Deepak Nitrite has crashed by almost 12% by making a high of 2,885. Tata Chemicals Limited has crashed by 4.26% by making a high of 1,085. Even PI Industries crashed by 6.5% from the day's high of 3,249. Guys, almost all major stocks from the chemical sector have fallen sharply, mainly due to the single reason. In this video, I am going to tell you about it. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners and mutual funds. Also, please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. The single main reason is, according to the stock market experts, the slide in the chemical stocks is because of the buzz about upcoming week's second quarter results of the chemical companies. They said that the market is expecting weak quarterly results of chemical companies after announcement of weak quarter results of Navin Fluorine International. Navin Fluorine International reported 7% decline in consolidated net profit on year-on-year basis. Friends, people expected bumper results from chemical companies, but seeing these results of Navin Fluorine, the fear gripped their hearts and they started selling the shares of chemical stocks. Speaking on the reason for the recent crash, Avinash Gorashkar, the head of research at Profitmart Securities, said this weakness in the chemical stocks is due to the weak quarterly results being announced by some chemical companies in the last few days. The market was expecting strong second quarter results from Navin Fluorine, whereas company reported weak quarter 2 numbers. This led to the speculation that chemical companies will have weak second quarter results and hence those who hold chemical stocks are selling their stake in bulk. Guys, due to the speculation and the fear, almost all major stocks of chemical sector have been crashed in the yesterday's session. Echoing with Avinash Gorashkar's views, Ravi Singhal, the vice chairman at GCL Securities, said market is witnessing profit booking in those sectors which were buzzing in the recent trade sessions. Chemical stocks are one of them, as most of its stocks were in the overbought condition with margin of safety at very low levels. So a single negative news was enough for huge crash in these stocks. So investors are booking profit in chemical stocks ahead of its quarter 2 result announcements, especially after the weak results of Navin Fluorine. So guys, this is a good opportunity for long-term investors. Try to pick the stocks with good valuation by buying on dips. Friends, if you want any levels for buying, please write in the commentary box. I will definitely help you. A small disclaimer friends, the recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.